Hi dear children, today I am going to take in the class 3rd standard subject science topic birds. When we wake up early in the morning, we hearing the voice of birds, right? It's very melodious to hearing, and we see so many birds in our daily life. Which are the birds you see? Tell me. Yes, peacock, pigeon, crow, duck, parrot, hen, cock. These are all the birds. Children, birds are looking very beautiful, right? So how we know that how to draw a picture of peacock. Let me know about how to draw a picture of peacock. Now all of you take one unruled paper. All of you try to draw. Okay. We should start from beak. First you draw beak. Okay. Next you draw head, and then you draw neck portion, and then we move on to body, that is trunk part. In trunk part, next you should draw here wings, and then we should draw tail part. Okay. This is tail part. Okay. Next we should move on to legs. How to draw a leg? All of you look here carefully. Here small toes. Birds have 4 toes. In each leg. Okay. Now leg portion finished. Okay. See children, we know that bird's body is fully covered with feathers. Okay. Next we should draw here eye. Okay. Eye, and here in beak there is one small hole is there. Okay, it helps to breathe. Okay. Next, in peacock have crest on their head. Okay. Next, here this is wing. Next, in tail part, peacock has colorful feathers. Peacock is looking very beautiful, children. Yes or no? Yes. Over, children. Now let me label the parts. Okay, this is crest. Next, this is eye, and this is beak. B-E-A-C-K, beak. Okay, this is the neck part. And then leg. And these are toes. And this is wing. And this part is tail. Okay, children? Children, understand, all of you try to draw this picture in your home. Children, different types of birds having different types of beaks for their eating habit. Okay, now we know about the beaks and their types. Birds have no teeth, but all birds have beak. Use their beaks to pick and hold the things. Use their beaks for eating and drinking water. Use their beaks to protect themselves from enemies. And which are the types of beaks? Short, hard and horny beaks. Some birds have short, hard and horny beaks. Some birds have strong, sharp and curved beaks. And some birds have hard beak. And some birds have broad and short beak. Children, let me know about the types of beaks in detail one by one. Children, first type is short, hard and horny beak. Short, hard and horny beak. Beak is short and also very hard and horny beak. Okay. Sparrow, pigeon, peacock. Look here, sparrow beak. Observe the beaks of pigeon and peacock. Okay. All these beaks are short and hard and also horny. Okay. They crack nuts or hard fruits, pick up grains and seeds and eat them. Okay. Next type is strong, sharp and curved. Curved means hooked beak. Okay. Strong, sharp and curved beak. Which are the birds having these type of beaks? Owl, vulture, eagle. Observe these beaks. Okay. Strong beak and also sharp and hooked. Okay. Owl, vulture, hawk, kite and eagle have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. These helps to birds to use their beaks for tearing the flesh of their prey. Okay. Next type is hooked beak. These birds have only hook type beak. This for example parrot. Parrot has hooked beak. Observe the parrot beak, how it is, hook like structure is there. Parrots use their beaks for cracking nuts and seeds from fresh fruits. They have hooked beaks. They use their beaks to climb up the trees also. Next type is broad and short beak. Broad and short beak. Observe here, the beak is broad and also very short. A swallow has a broad and short beak. Its mouth is sticky from inside while flying. It catches hundreds of flies and insects which stick inside its mouth. Okay. It helps to catches the hundreds of flies and insects which stick inside its mouth. Okay, this is about broad and short beak. Next type is broad and flat beak. Broad and flat. Beak is broad also and also the flatness is seen. Look here, this duck. Duck beak is broad and also flat. The beak of duck is flat. There are slits on the sides of its beak. Slits also you observe. The duck catches fish and small plants or water animals in its beak and the remaining water passes through the sides. Okay. This is the broad and flat beak. Next type is strong and chisel shaped beak. Strong and chisel shaped beak. Chisel is one of the tool. Right. Birds like woodpecker has strong and chisel shaped beak. It helps the bird to tap the bark and pull out insects from. Next, long and slender beak. Next type is long and slender beak. Birds like hoopay has long and slender beak. It helps to bird to take out insects from the holes in the ground. Next, let me see about the match the following. Okay, first sparrow. Here birds names are given: sparrow, woodpecker, hoopay, swallow and duck. Here you have to match the correct beak type. Okay, sparrow. Sparrow beak type is yes, short, hard and horny beak. Sparrow has, you have to match from sparrow to C, that is short, hard, horny beak. Next one is woodpecker. Woodpecker has scissor shaped beak. Woodpecker has scissor shaped beak. You have to match from woodpecker to A, that is scissor shaped beak. Next hoopay. Hoopay has yes, long slender beak. Hoopay has long slender beak. You have to match hoopay to E. Okay, long and slender beak. Next swallow. Swallow bird's beak is broad and short beak. Swallow bird beak is broad and short beak. You have to match from swallow to broad and short beak. Next, last one is duck. Duck beak is yes, broad. Yes, duck beak is broad and flat beak. You have to match duck to D. Okay, duck beak is broad and flat beak. Sparrow beak is short, hard, horny beak. Woodpecker beak is scissor shaped beak. Hoopay beak type is long and slender beak. Swallow beak is broad and short beak. Duck beak type is broad and flat beak.